Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. In today's video, we're going to open up my July Ipsy box. So if you want to see what items that I got in my box, including what my beauty boost was, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys. So let's just jump right into this box. It's been here for a couple of weeks. If you hear my voice sounding a little rough, I'm just getting over being sick. I had the flu and all the jazz. So we're just going to jump into what did I get. This theme for this month was Hot Glow Summer. So Hot Glow Summer was the theme. It's what the back looked like for this time around. And it says July is your invitation to play with the latest evolutions in beauty. Kaleidoscope pops of color, dewy skin that outshines any filter, futuristic self-care upgrades, because it says this is just any summer, it's your best summer yet. So let's just jump right into it. My first item that I got was the mud masking, and you guys, by the time, so the way the Boxycharm by Ipsy box work, you normally get 5 full-size items. And then I pay a little extra for what they call a beauty boost. I believe it's like an extra $15 or something, but you're supposed to get a very good deal on a popular brand or whatever added to your box. And you normally get to pick those items. This month, I did get to pick a couple of items, but by the time I got to look into the account to actually choose my items, a lot of the stuff was already out. But I think I still got some good items. So the first thing I got here is this Mud Masky Velvety Glow Body Scrub. This was something they picked for me. This is actually a substantial size. I thought this would be smaller. It says, what size is this? It says it's a 6 fluid ounce size. It says it's a velvety glow body scrub. So gentle for daily use. It says it's pH balanced. It's supposed to soften, smooth, exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish. And this is made in France. And I heard a lot of good things about this brand. I haven't tried too many things from them. So that was one that they picked for me. And then the next item in here was the Toy Factory. It's called Nia Pout. That's what this says on here. This is a niacinamide serum lip mask. And the flavor or scent on here is called Watermelon Whip. If you can see that. Now this one, you know, oh, they got it in plastic. So let me take that out real quick because I love me a good lip mask. I actually got one on right now. I have my lip mask here from Laneige in Mango on today. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. And I actually topped it with a little bit of this Victoria's Secret lip glow. Just a little bit of it. And this has a nice scent to it. But I do love lip masks. Anything that's a gloss or... I hate chapped lips. That's the thing. I hate chapped lips. If I have to do anything on my face, it's going to be moisturize my skin. I have oily skin, so sometimes I can get away without putting moisturizer on my skin, but I have to have something on my lips. So this is what this looks like. Let's see if we got it. I don't smell anything off the top, but it might have a little scent to it once I put it actually on my lips. But the watermelon whip might just be the color of it too. It might not be actual watermelon scent, but we'll see. I don't smell anything off the top of it. The other thing I got here was from Glow Recipe. Now those other 2 items they picked for me, which I thought that they did pretty good. This other one was one of the items that I got to pick. From Glow Recipe is the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. It says firming plus lifting. So this was my pick item. says firm and lift the appearance of skin while deeply hydrating with this clinically effective serum. This treatment targets all skin stages and ages to visibly help improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Polypeptides help to firm and maintain the skin's elasticity and work in synergy with antioxidant-rich pomegranate seed oil for visibly smoother, lifted skin. The cushiony, milky texture melts into skin instantly to deeply nourish and drench with hydration without greasiness or heaviness. So it says to do 1 to 2 pumps on it and gently pat onto your face and neck until fully absorbed. And then follow with your favorite moisturizer. Okay, I have tried several Glow Recipe items, but I have not tried this serum. So I'm curious. Let me see what this, that's what the texture is. It looks like it'll be right up my alley. As far as something for my oily skin that look like it will seep right in. So yeah, that's good. Yep. So that's what I like in serums. I don't like nothing to sit on top of my face. So it looked like this will be a good one. It just absorbed right into my skin. Like it says, not heavy or greasy. So that's, and it don't have a scent to it either. All right. I like it. I like it. I definitely want to be using that. I actually might go ahead and start using that because I just finished up something else. All right, this other thing they put in a separate bag. I wonder if they have problems with this leaking or something. But it's the Origins Checks and Balancing Frothy Face Wash. This is one that I have had in the past from Boxycharm, I believe, when it was still Boxycharm only. And I know I love this. This is a picked item. So when I saw this on here, I definitely grabbed it. This is a 5 fluid ounce. Now, I think the last time I had it before, it was a smaller size. It was probably like half this size. So they definitely have changed the packaging on this since the last time I've had it. But I'm digging the new packaging. It's a clean aesthetic, very sleek. I love the size. Both of these, the mud mask and the face wash is a good size. And I literally just emptied out my face wash too, but I need to use up some of my other ones before I use that one. So, but you guys, my empties will be coming up the end of the month. Then my last item for the box, and then I'll share my beauty box item, was another item that I picked. And this was from Rim Beauty. You know, I believe Rim Beauty is what Ariana Grande's brand. This is Midnight Shadows. It's a liquid eyeshadow. That's what it says. So let's see what this looks like on my skin. It looks like that typical blue purple shade that a lot of companies like to do. But let me see what this looks like. That's how it came out. Yeah, it's that, this is her version of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off because I don't want it to dry down. But it's got a vibrant hot purple flip. I don't know if you'll see it in the camera, but it got a vibrant blue and a hot pink purple flip to it. So this is intensified, and it's probably because of the liquid, but when I turn it this way, it did the purple. So I don't know if you'll pick it up, but I see it here looking at it. So it's doing like a bright sky blue, a fuchsia pink in it. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let me wipe that off because I do not want it to dry down on my hand. We'll play with that one definitely. But that is definitely a pop of color. So their theme was dewy skin with pops of color. So all these things are like, it's giving you the pops of color. This is your eyes, your exfoliation for your skin, keep your skin clean and your lips juicy. So that's what my box has in it. And then my beauty boost item was the fresh black tea instant perfecting mask. This says that it's typically $96. And of course, like I said, the beauty boost, I believe, is $15. So I have tried several things from Fresh over the years, and I think I've had a miniature of this one in the past. If I'm not mistaken, I have to see what it looks like on the inside when I open it, but let's see. They got a little seal on here, which is nice. Make sure nobody ain't being in the product. See if this is what I remember it being. Actually, it's not. But it smells like it. So that's what the cream looks like. Maybe I'm mixing two of their products up, but I definitely will. It does have that slight tea scent to it, though. I definitely will be giving this a go. It says it's with hyaluronic acid, sphere smooths and softens. So, says it's known for its cloud-like whip texture. This advanced treatment mask smooths and softens while improving suppleness with freshest black tea complex for a silky, velvety finish. All right, and it's supposed to be on for leave on for 5-10 minutes and then rinse it off. So I would definitely add this to my mask in my closet to give it a go. And I'll report back on this one, you guys. But that is everything in my box. So to recap, got my Beauty Boost item was the black tea mask. Got the Rim Beauty Eye and Midnight Shadows. Got the Toy Factory Pout thing, the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Serum, the Mud Masky Body Scrub, and the Origins Checks and Balances face wash. So I'm super pleased with my box. I am happy with everything I received in it. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.